the best thing I'm trying to do these days is to really listen to where people are. That's really the thing, because I think we've really hit on that in so many angles here, and I think that's the value of it, is sort of not treating this stuff as sort of a one-size-fits-all way of talking about it. And I think that in some ways you probably would agree that I've written recently is that I might say something to somebody and then say something else to somebody that sounds like two completely contradictory things, and I think that's why just more and more it becomes about sort of a tailored dialogue to somebody, just an individual dialogue to somebody. So I would say that if you come to me, kind of like I said, kind of in some ways, don't try to make sense of what we've said, because you'll find this out in your own experience. Everything that Rick and I have talked about is going to be your experience. It's not like you have to kind of come to our meeting saying, okay, Scott, now let me see if I get this concept right. There's this something called the middle way, and then I said, well, hold on, we might start somewhere else. We might start somewhere else and get to that later at some other point.
Yeah, different strokes for different folks, as Sly and the Family Stone sang.
Yeah.
Well, there's so many fascinating things, interesting stories we could get into, and all kinds of stuff. It's really enjoyable to do this, and but we should probably leave it for another day so we don't
bore people to death.
Yeah, most people don't mind the fact that it's long. I was speaking to a guy the other day, and he said, "I just listen to it in 20-minute chunks." And I said, "Yeah, that'll work."
Yeah, that works. Yeah.
Yeah. So.
Well, thanks, Rick, for having me.
Yeah. We'll do it again sometime. So far, I've got a big long list, and I haven't repeated anybody. But sooner or later, I'd like to come back and talk to people again, whom I've already spoken with, and see how it's going. Yeah. I just do one of these a week. I'm not like Richard Miller, who seems to make a full-time profession of it.
Yeah.